Yep, we are crazy. We're going back out again last weekend, trying to score again. Hopefully we get her done. Winds are about 32 miles an hour. We're at about 15 degrees. Hey, but what the heck, right? So last weekend you go out and have a good time. Have a good time. Yep. See you later. So hey guys, we're out here. Shot a doe last night with our late winter hunt. Had a shot about 5 to 5. Thought it was a good hit. Pretty much a blizzard last night out here hunting. So she jumped the fence. We reviewed the footage last night. Kind of seems we got a pretty decent hit on her, but as much snowing it was doing, we just couldn't find tracks. Couldn't find any blood, so I had to let it go. Call the landowner on the existing property, and then finally this morning about 10:30, the landowner called me back and gave me permission to go in. So we're going in right now. Gonna see if we can recover the deer, see if we can find it, at least give a fair chase to it. We owe the animal that, so I'll get back with you as soon as I get any information or if I find it. Okay guys, I'm back. So I'm relieved. I didn't make it across the creek, just right there. Found some tracks, followed them in, and I seen her laying on the trail. So coming up to her right now. I believe this is her. I hope it's her. I'll know when I look at the shot. I know it's a big doe. And here she lays, guys. Doesn't look like the coyotes got her at all. Looks like I did put a good hit on. Thought I did, but I was a little worried. This looks like her, so I guess I'm gonna go ahead and kick her out, drag her, get her gutted, see if I can salvage this thing. Oh, I'm so happy, guys. I just really thought I missed or made a bad shot, but in the end it looks like I made a pretty good shot, and we got permission from the landowner to come in here, and I thank him for that, and we recovered.